Now suppose that you have an iOS device, just like an iPhone or an iPad. Well, how to capture a log on your iPhone or your iPad? Well, you have two ways to do so. Your iTunes or iTools. Maybe a lot of you didn't hear about the iTools, but it's a similar application for iTunes. Well, capturing the log through iTools is very simple, just like clicking a button, and this will make the matter so easy for you. Well, so let us see together how to do that. Now I will open iTools, and you will connect your iPad to the iTools through the USB port. Well, after that you'll find that your iPad is connected, so go to this symbol right here, the toolbox, and press on real-time log. This, when you press on real-time log, start producing the error. I mean, you will press on the real-time log just like this, and it will start recording your log. So here you have to start reproducing the error. Open the application, open the website, and make the steps needed to reach to the error that you need to reproduce and report. And after you finish, you will press save. Don't click OK, just press save. You will find it, giving you the destination you want to save your file. Just give it a name and press save, and yes. Now you will press it. It has told you right now that it has saved successfully, and you press OK. This way you have captured the log. So it's not so hard to capture a log on your iPad or iPhone through the iTools application.